Hey everybody, welcome to Barbecue by Biggs. I'm Aaron, and today we're doing something a little bit different. Today, a company called Easy Function sent us a wooden grill scraper. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at this thing. I've never used one of these, I've always wanted to, because you know what? These things are dangerous and they're nasty. And I know, it hasn't happened to you yet, but some of these bristles end up coming out. And you can look at this one, and it's filthy. This is the one I use on my grill. And you know what? There's some bristles that are gone. I've just been lucky so far. You've seen some of the news stories where people have gotten these lodged in their throat or in their stomach. So this makes good sense, especially having a 4-year-old. I don't want to have that happen to me. So you know what? When they reached out to me, I said, sure, I'll take a look at it. As you can tell on this old one's filthy. And one of the things that impressed me about this is, you know what? It's wooden. And it's very thick. You can look at it. It's very thick. It's wooden, so when you get through using it, you can get it cleaned up. It has a hanging thing on the end. It's about a 1/2 inch wide, and you see some of these in the stores, and they're real thin and they're real flimsy. This one's going to last you a lifetime. And you know what? If you want to open a pop on the back of it, it has a bottle opener on it as well. So we're going to look at it. One of the things that I was really impressed when you open this thing up and you look, it sends you a card in here. One, tells you how to set it up and how to make it work right. The other thing is it gives you a scan code for a lifetime guarantee. So they're guaranteeing these for life. So as long as you register it on here, if you have any problems with this, you know what? You send a text to the company and they'll send you a brand new one for free. So that's a great thing. It's designed in the U.S. Of course, it's not made in the U.S., but it is designed in the U.S. and it's made overseas. But the safety, quality is there. So you know what? I think it works pretty good. So what we're going to do today is I have my Yoder up to temp. You got to have your grill up to temp to set these in. As you can tell, it has multiple grooves. You have to make that for your grill. So when we get it hot and we put pressure on it, it's going to make grooves for it. The one thing that I have noticed is it's so thick, you can do one side for one grill and one side for the other grill and get away with that. So this can work on multiple grills, which is great. So we're going to get this over there and we're going to see how it works. So come along with us. All right, so we got this grill up to temperature, and as you can tell, we did not clean it from the last time because I wanted to make sure we put this thing through the test. So what we're going to do is we're going to find where this groove falls into my grill's grooves, and then we're just going to put some pressure on it. And you can feel it scraping. You can see it right here. It's already scraped it all the way off. Man, it works amazingly well, to be honest with you. And then we'll just go to the next one. We'll get it on those grooves of where we started it, and we'll just do it. Same thing with this one. So you see there how much of that gunk it got off of there. So we'll continue to do this, move it around, and get this grill cleaned up. But so far, it's pretty impressive. All right, got it all knocked off. As you can see, clean, worked well. So you look at this thing and tell it barely took any off when we did it just now. It did set in for that grill. So the next grill that we use, which will be the Lone Star Grills Mini, we'll set some rails here in the middle of this one. So far great. And as you can tell, all we got to do is take this with some soap and water, clean it up, and then we're done. So bringing you back in, you know what? Everything that they said about this thing, it actually works. It scrapes. It does a good job of cleaning the grill. And you know what? I'm satisfied with it. It's real easy to wipe down and clean up. I am going to do soap and water and clean it up, and then I can hang it and use it for the next time. I can get rid of this nasty thing. I don't know why I keep it, but you know what? I don't need it anymore. Get rid of that and not have that worry about a 4-year-old or your 6-year-old or your 12-year-old or even your wife or your grandma getting one of those pieces of that wire brush in their throat or in their stomach or whatever. So it's big, lifetime warranty. You know what? Normally I don't do this with products, but it's a pretty good product. And you know what, Easy Function, you guys did a good job. So if you're looking for one of these, there's a link in the description, and we'll see you guys next time.